Welcome to ICO Investor. Today we'll be talking about the PayTrip app, an application where you can earn money while you travel. However, I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for information and education purposes only, so let's dive into it. So here is the website, and a quick reminder that the link for the PayTrip website will be in the description down below. So PayTrip is essentially a mobile application you can have on your smartphone where you can earn digital money every trip you take. So if it's riding a bike, taking the bus, or just riding in your car, or even taking a trip overseas, you will be able to earn digital currency as you take your trips. They will use a proof of travel consensus method to validate all transactions, and there'll be a ton of different features within the actual app, such as like AR, where you can go out and actually find airdrops that they do within your local area. And of course, PayTrip will have its own wallet on their app where you can save all these prizes and items you'll win from these airdrops. The PayTrip app actually works by detecting your movement through your phone, which actually validates cryptocurrency transactions and rewards you in the process. So the whole proof of travel consent is based on your phone being in your pocket while you're moving and traveling wherever you go. It's built on an eco-friendly block verification method, not to be mistaken with a mining app. You'll be receiving hourly cash outs for your digital money, and these payouts will automatically be transferred to your token wallet, which is taken care of by their network, and your participation actually keeps their network active as they reward you. The app can be run in the background, taking up no battery power for your device, and they really tend to keep your account safe and secure with your account and digital currency safe in their platform. So the proof of travel basically works by having an election process take place, searching for different user nodes that then report back travel during each 5-minute block sequence. Every user node who travels more than 100 meters from their last stationary location will be selected to participate in the block validation. This process basically then repeats for every user of the PayTrip app until they are stationary for more than 10 minutes again. The other users' transaction fees are then evenly distributed among the contributing users. This process will calculate your total travel data from your last online checkpoint to your first reconnected checkpoint, then reward you in the following block validations. So here is their mobile app, and you can download it on the Google Play Store if you have Android, or the Apple Store if you have an Apple device. So the first version of the PayTrip app will be used to scale the user base, serve as their ICO information channel, and to help add fund phase 1. So their digital currency is actually called Dinero, and every time you actually check in, you'll be able to get 15 Dinero, and for every person you refer who actually registers a user account, you'll be able to get 150 Dinero. The second version of their app will actually unlock free access to their Airdrop game that you'll be able to actually win some prizes up to $100,000 worth of their digital currency. You'll also get access to their Dinero wallet, and they'll start verifying the blocks on their network. The app is 100% safe and secure to use. They have done all the testing beforehand, and the app is fully functional and ready to be used now. So there are links over here, and also there'll be some links down below, so make sure to check out the apps. So currently we're actually in the first phase of their token launch, and their Dinero token will be helping them fund the actual project. The value of the Dinero token will actually be based on once they launch their currency into the markets and the different cryptocurrency exchanges that they'll be listed on. So the exact day of their launch of the token is not fully determined currently. It's more based on the actual users of the PayTrip app and their collective contribution to it. And then once it's listed on these other exchanges, then you'll be able to trade it for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So the second token they'll actually be launching is actually pronounced Dinero with an E, so Dinero, which before the first one is actually spelled with an A and ARO. So just keeping that in mind. But the second phase coin will actually be quite interesting. So at this stage, they'll actually have their proof of travel blockchain launched, the second version of the PayTrip app that we talked about earlier, as well as their highly anticipated Airdrop AR game. And then here's where they'll actually be transitioning from the old Dinero token to the Dinero, and they'll be both the same value, and the older ones will be transferred into and transitioned into Dinero into your wallet on their app. Their goal in mind for this token is actually to have this as a mainstream digital currency used as similar payment methods like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now this is a bold statement, but they do have some incredibly low fees, instant quick transactions, a simple and useful app, and great accessibility for average people across the world. Now let's look a little more into their Airdrop game. So this will be an augmented reality mobile game which will be within the PayTrip app. So players will physically travel around in their local area in the real world and look for these different types of airdrops for different items and prizes that they will be announcing. They have huge prizes worth up to $100,000 of their Dinero token just in one single airdrop. There'll also be random own Dinero tokens placed that you can be able to find and collect to in turn spend back in-game tools and different items, which actually maximize your chances of success for those bigger airdrop prizes. You'll also be able to team up with different friends and join together and really find these airdrop prizes in the game as well. And these in-game tools and items will be found in the in-game kiosks. So definitely a very unique take on a game that we haven't seen from different projects, but this project PayTrip is definitely doing the right steps and the right moves in a good direction. So we can definitely see this game do really well, popular on social media as well, and a lot of people seeing and playing this as the user base grows. Some notable benefits of the app actually include safe and security, upcoming ICO, easy payment options, hourly cash outs, a very simple and easy to use app, and then safe gaming. Now in terms of the team behind the project, collectively they have a total of 150 years of business experience in the field. They truly have a good, capable development team behind on the back end working on this app. They're a very dedicated overall team, putting in 3 years of development experience into this app and the whole project itself. They have planned quite well for the future and have a good vision amongst them, trying to help countless users throughout the blockchain and cryptocurrency space with their journeys. So overall, what this project is doing is very unique and has a ton of potential to it. This app could be very helpful to those of you who are looking for an extra stream of income for joining in the cryptocurrency space and want to earn some passive income while you travel. Not to mention their awesome AR game, which has a ton of prizes coming up. So I do see this project having a lot in store and a lot of good utility behind it. We are still early, so make sure to check out the links in the description down below to see what this project is about more in depth, and download the app, guys, because this is a great opportunity. We are still early, so definitely get in on this project. So thanks again for watching the video. If you found it helpful, leave us a like down below. Make sure to add any comments of questions that I have not covered in this video. Subscribe to the ICO Investor channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you out on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.